snapping any minute, nigga. Evacuate.
They found Saddam, but they ain't gon' find me. I be under a tree in butt-fuck Tennessee. And I don't know too much about my daddy, except be spit in my face and fuck me in the fanny. I ain't a racist, I just hate whites, fags and dykes, blacks and transvestites. 13 years old, they joined the fucking game. Hearing in my ass cheeks, feeling the fucking pain. Am I insane? Who really knows? Any second, my temper can fucking blow. I get colder than December. Black the fuck out, tomorrow won't even remember. See, Bizare can show you what violence is all about. And it's Dr. Dre beat and brought it the fuck out. Run in your house, put a gun in your mouth, and blow your brains the fuck out.
I probably got a screw loose or two, or maybe 3 or 4 of them. Some fell out and hit the floor. All I know is ever since my fucking head hit the snowbank, I've been a little Neanderthal. No thanks to my man D'Angelo Bailey, but I just take it slow daily. My biggest dilemmas, trying to figure whether to use the flathead or the filler, or just go to the Home Depot and pick the new power driller. It's been 2 hours and 6 days, I'm still up. I feel like I'm about to snap any minute. There's a new Tower Records about to stop and get a fill up. Pick the new Cypress hill up and go find who did that shit to exhibit, and go fill up a whole liquor bottle with piss and shatter his fucking lips with it.
I'm a little bit off the chain. Call me insane, but the fact remains that I'm a psycho. Better get it through your brain when you say my name. Never say it in vain, cause I'm a psycho. Now let me give you just a little peek inside of a mind where every day of the week you know I'm destined for crime. And I'm hearing the little voices speak out of me blind. And you know the little saying be you seeking you find. And maybe I have a chemical imbalance, but I can balance the barrel enough to make you come out of your apparel. Make you sing a little carol, hands in the air like you're at a concert. I rob you like I just don't care. Now your jewels are my jewels, my tool got pull. Your drawers they got stool. Break yourself, fool. What could you do to this maniac and lunatic that already hasn't been done? Go ahead and shoot at him, put him in prison, alter his vision. Make a decision, cause if I ever get out of this hole, it's perdition. Never will change, sick in the brain, spit on your grave, shit on your name. Give me the blame, I'm a psycho.
Saw it until I was actually in it. You really gotta be in it to understand what it's like. But you always gotta, people always gotta see you smile. You always gotta put on that fake. You know what I'm saying? Like no matter what you just been through.
So you wanna be a rap superstar and live large, your big house, 5 cars, you're in charge. Coming up in the world, don't trust nobody. Gotta look over your shoulder constantly. I remember the days when I was a young kid growing up, looking in the mirror, dreaming about blowing up. The rock crowd, make money, chill with the honeys, sign autographs and whatever the people want from me. It's funny how impossible dreams manifest in the games that be coming with it. Nevertheless, you got the gold for the gusto, but you don't know about the blood, sweat, and tears, and losing some of your peers, and losing some of yourself through the years past gone by. Hopefully it don't manifest, but the wrong guy, egomaniac in the brainiac, don't know how to act. Deep 48 tracks, studio gangsta max, sign the deal, thinks he's gonna make a meal, but never will, till he crosses over steel, filling your head with fantasies. Come with me, show the sacrifice it takes to make the cheese. You wanna be a rap superstar in the biz? It takes from people who don't know what it is. I wish it was all fun and games, but the price of fame is high, and some can't pay the way. Still trapped in what you rapping about. Tell me what happened when you lost clap. The route you took started collapsing. No fans, no fame, no respect, no change, no women, and everybody from the shade. They wanna be a rap superstar and live large, a big house, 5 cars, you're in charge. Coming up in the world, don't trust nobody. Gotta look over your shoulder constantly to be a rap superstar and live large, a big house, 5 cars, you're in charge. Coming up in the world, don't trust nobody. Gotta look over your shoulder constantly.
When you sign to a record label, you don't know you sign your life over. And these white boys don't care about you, cause the minute you fall off, they'll find another Noriega, and they'll find another Capone Noriega, and they'll find another Be Real. So you need to just keep stack your chips up, do what you gotta do while you hot, and motherfucker, get out the game. Just like the drug game, it's even worse, because in the drug game, if somebody jerk you, you can shoot them and kill them. And if you, in this game, somebody jerk you, you gotta be humble.
No matter what you just been through, it's gotta be right. You You gotta approach people, you gotta be on the up and up, everything's gotta be all good. When you see somebody, slap hands with them, you know what I'm saying, give them a pound or whatever it is, you know, but you always gotta act like ain't.
So you wanna be a rap superstar and live large, a big house, 5 cars, you're in charge. Coming up in the world, don't trust nobody, gotta look over your shoulder constantly to be a rap superstar and live large, a big house, 5 cars, you're in charge. Coming up in the world, don't trust nobody, gotta look over your shoulder constantly. My own son don't know me, I'm chilling in the hotel room lonely, but I thank God I'm with my homies. But sometimes I wish I was back home, but only no radio or videos gonna show me no love. The phony gotta hit the road solely, so the record gets pushed by Sony. I'm in the middle like Mooney, and the press say that my own people disown me, and the best way back is to keep your head straight, never inflate the cranium. You're too worried about them honeys at the Palladium who just wanna cling on, swing on, and so on. Go on, roll off, the hoes roll on to the next rap superstar with no shame. Give them a year and they'll be right out the game.